here is how you can find your passwords on the Android device. Let me guide you through it and show you exactly where you can find it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you are using your internet on the iPhone or the Android phone through a web browser, something like the Google Chrome, you can open up the Chrome app and tap on the three dots for more options. If you then click on the settings right here, you will have the ability to manage all of the different things about your use case and the way you use the app. But below, you can find Google Password Manager. And when you get inside in here, all of the passwords which you have saved on your Android device are going to be likely stored in here, unless you have downloaded a manually, like separate passwords manager. But if you haven't downloaded anything else, it's very likely that it's going to be in here, so you will have access to all of this stuff. You can as well go to the settings in here and also click on export passwords if you want to move them away, or you can as well import passwords into your phone if you have them stored somewhere else, so you can kind of like put them all together. At the bottom, interestingly enough, we also have declined sites and apps. These are the instances or situations where you signed in to a web page, for example, to social media, and it asks you if you want to save the password. And if you clicked on no or not now, then it's going to be shown right here. So that's a very interesting thing if you ask me, but you can kind of like manage it all in this place and control all of the saved passwords. On the other hand, if you want to be a little bit more professional with it, let's say, you can get the dedicated Google Passwords Manager app from the Play Store, which will allow you to sign in with your Google account and have it all stored in one app. So not just part of the Chrome web browser, but as a separate, dedicated, standalone app. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.